Are you looking for an online study method that fits your needs without sacrificing a personal connection? Our interactive 32-hour live online course uses synchronous learning and allows you to engage with instructors and colleagues in a way that enhances your experience and maximizes content understanding and retention, all from the convenience of your home or office. Created with your busy schedule in mind, each topic is offered multiple times each month and materials are delivered online, giving you the flexibility to continue learning between live sessions. Led by industry-leading professionals with test expertise and clinical experience, sessions feature interactive tools like chat, screen sharing, and polls to create a more engaging environment, all while learning content and relevant information focused on those key terms and concepts that appear most frequently on the exam. All Access Pass allows you to attend sessions multiple times for up to 9 months, so revisiting challenging topics is easy. Think our 32-hour online prep course is right for you? Contact us today to learn more.